Portland Pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This week in the Portland Picker household, I've been recovering because I got my wisdom teeth out.
Smells like recovery. Like Eminem
What? Oh.
2009.
I meant like M&M's. I'm not eating M&M's. So there's some funny clips of us, or me, after the dentist. So we're about to do it.
It's happening.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
I am.
You're gonna be free of those teeth.
Yeah.
New beginnings.
Yeah, we're gonna have to break up.
So the operation was seamless, no hitches. They removed
I'm in the Hall of Fame.
in the Hall of Fame
In the heart.
for having heart.
No, in their heart.
Oh, in their heart, the Hall of Fame of their heart.
Mm-hmm.
That's adorable. Just like you.
Okay. That with all this, Marie Kondo was
Marie Kondo.
for four. What for four? My wisdom teeth do not for four.
Oh, the wisdom teeth. They don't spark joy. So
I have to get
this
rid of
is
them
got rid of them.
and donate them.
Donate them.
I didn't get my tooth.
Who's got
I
them?
want my teeth.
I think they got rid of them.
And then, so I didn't have an example. So I did two wisdom teeth, and then two wisdom teeth, and then two wisdom teeth. For serving a purpose, not for me, but for our ancestors. So, goodbye! I found my tooth! If you guys don't like Running Sound, you might not like it. Say it.
Whoa. Sorry, I don't even know what you said.
Running Sound.
You what?
Running Sound. Running Sound. I know it's Running Sound.
That sounds like you're saying Looney Tunes.
Running. Running.
Look at that thing. Look at the roots on that beast. God damn.
Hold on.
It was holding on fierce. That's why I had to come out. Because it couldn't let go.
What did you do this week?
This weekend I went to an estate sale with my crazy neighbor, and I captured no footage of it, but you're gonna see some stuff I hauled in. Alright, so going straight into some stuff that I found at the sale. Some joysticks. Just gonna run through it. A thing of Atari computer software and manuals. I think it's mainly just manuals. That was $6. It's cool. It's the Sydney Opera House. And this is done in like copper plate. Some old game manual. Something. Some floppies that stood out to me. Ring King.
Ring King.
This is like a bizarre, at least to me it is. probably computer cable for Atari, parallel interface cable. Another game manual. Some old software. Ah! Got all the floppies in there. Old floppies. Back when they were real floppy. This was a big box that, like, I think a lot of people overlooked. But then here it says version 3.0 for Atari, made in Germany. Like, hello. Software. Got both the books, manual. Let's see if it's in there. Yep, sure enough.
There it is.
Got the software. So it looks like there's a cartridge in here. Very awkward position my body's in, and I don't know why. Like, I've actually never seen that kind of cartridge before. That's interesting. In my mind, that means expensive. Muy expensive. Was the first bag. And again, in total, I was like 20 some dollars in.
Another bag.
Here we have, it's super faded, but again, this is like an Atari cable adapter thing. Adapters that I haven't seen before, so I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna get it. And then in this bag, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different power supplies. An Atari branded mouse. Got the serial number on the back. It's pretty, I mean, it's 82 probably.
1982.
And then one more power. So I got 5 power supplies and this mouse and they were $3 each. And that's it.
And we did a podcast with, I mean, not podcast, but video interview thingy with...
We did a live YouTube with Chris at Thrift Shop Hustler.
Maybe we'll put
Check
that video in the description so you can go check it out. I was kind of loopy, and then
links.
I threw up after.
There was puke everywhere. Missed the toilet.
So we just finished doing our live with Chris, Thrift Shop Hustler.
And this isn't your fault, but I literally finished the last sentence, stood up, and vomited. But I'm still feeling good.
Cause we got Jello shots.
Yay for reacting to painkillers and not being in pain because you can't take painkillers. Yay! All right, love you guys. If you like this video,
Fart on it.